Hello, welcome back. Nate here. I am a public speaker of extraordinary dimensions. Just kidding. No, today I'm going to tell you what to do when you forget what to say. When you are you're up on stage and you hit the blue, it's just blank. All right, but I've got 3 minutes to do it. So timer is going. Let's go. Okay, so something quick to explain to you. There's the reason you hit blanks when you're up on stage and you're not when you're like, I don't know what I'm talking about. It's because simply you had a train of thought going, and it's rarely an outside thing like a chicken jumps up on the stage, or like there's a goat all of a sudden it's like, and then you're like, what? Like, it's rarely that. It's usually that you had a train of thought going and another thought came in and poof, like knocked it off the tracks. That's usually the reason for it. So if that happens to you, rather than freezing and freaking out and apologizing to everybody, which I would not recommend doing, just take a moment, pause, and retrace your steps. If the last thing you remember was you were talking about how lemmings like to follow other lemmings, especially if they're blue, then you say, okay, so after that, I remember in my mind, if you have your little outline from the video I did on how to outline a speech in 5 minutes or less, if you have your little outline, you can say, okay, this is at point 2, okay, now I'm going to go back from where I remember last and I'm going to keep speaking. It doesn't matter if you say the same thing twice. You don't need to apologize. It's simply a skill of, I forgot what I was doing and it's okay. You're a human and it's normal. It's as simple as you're up on stage and you're saying, you pause. If you need to, you look at your notes. You don't need to say anything. You just say, so when lemmings are looking for other lemmings, they like the blue ones. It's a stupid example. Anyway, so it's as simple as that. Just rewind, look for the association, and just go back from the last point you remember. The big mistakes people make here is that they freak out because they've got the story in their mind that people are going to laugh at them and they'll look stupid. If you just let go of that story and you say, I will look much smarter if I just stop and don't say anything, just nothing. And I'm going to find where I was, and I'm going to keep speaking without apologizing or anything. That is super ninja. Hopefully that was helpful for you guys. Let's see how our time is doing. Oh my goodness, that one was fast. I have 52 seconds left. That was awesome. All right, well, I have I guess for the last 44 seconds, I can just sit here and ramble on and on and on and on. I'm just kidding. No, if this is helpful to you guys, would love if you would subscribe to this channel. This is distilled the very most important things that I could share with you from years of experience in public speaking and presenting. So if that's useful, go ahead and subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you next week.